So it is very windy today, so sorry for the sound, but I am getting around to harvesting my seeds from the garden, at least to the flower garden. So the marigolds, and then over there I have zinnias, and I'm gonna cut everything down. Like if it's dead, I'm gonna cut it down, obviously. So yeah, it's been raining a lot here lately, so I'm probably gonna have to let these I'm doing a video.
A video
To YouTube. Is that okay? Okay. You think? Okay. Anyways, it's been raining a lot, so I might have to like let these dry inside before I store them. So yeah. I don't even know if the audio is good. Probably not. My audio is not good on a not windy day, but oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. So I was going for this one here, and I look, and then there's this little guy there. And by little guy, I mean a huge guy. We also have some basil that needs to be picked. Not this plant, but another plant. Look at this cute little sleepy bumble. It's so cold today, so he's probably like messy with me. So I did end up grabbing some of the basil that was mostly ready to go. So the seeds are in these little leafy things. So I have to be really careful picking them because they just like pop out, and I think that's how it spreads so easily. Like our first plant was over here, and then now it's spread to over here, over here, over here. Smaller ones down there, here, and here. And I'm sure there's more. Oh yeah, there's some more over here, right there, that really green plant. So yeah, they just pop out really easily. There's another one. Oh, this whole patch right here is basil. They just pop out really easily, so I don't want to put them in my little box that I have there because they'll just mix with my flower seeds. But yeah, so we have basil somehow, and that's exciting. Also, look how pretty our pumpkin selection is. We got most of these from a friend of mine. She does photography, and she got these pumpkins for her photo sessions, and she was getting rid of them because I don't know, she's done, I guess. But these ones up here are ours. We got those for Halloween, and then the white ones are ours. But yeah, they're so pretty, and so we're gonna use these for seeds for next year when they go bad, I guess. We're just gonna keep the seeds. And then my oldest wants me to show her little flower pile. What kind of flowers are they?
Camilla.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I got a text saying that we had a frost advisory, and which is weird. Anyways, we have a frost advisory, and so we have this pomegranate. Nope, no, it's not. We have avocado tree growing in our front yard, and I want to keep it. So I'm gonna go try to dig it up, and it's like pitch dark outside. So I'm gonna go try to dig it up and hopefully save an avocado tree inside. I've been meaning to do this for like 2 weeks now, and I'm finally getting around to it. So let's go dig up a tree in pitch dark.
The highest point in China is Mount Everest.